I'm Kenneth Worsdale, CEO of Extra Space Asia. Being the largest and the dominant self-storage brand throughout Asia and also in Singapore, it was very important for us to work with a reliable supplier vendor because that obviously impacts our reputation. And again, we felt Janus was able to provide us that reliability and support that we need to keep ourselves as the leading self-storage operator in Singapore and throughout Asia. Many industries today are adapting technology to suit their business platform. The self-storage industry should be no different. And we have over a number of years now been looking for ways to bring technology into our bricks and mortar business. We evaluated a lot of different systems and we concluded that the Nokē system gave us what we needed. What the Nokē system does is it allows a storer to use their mobile phone to access the storage units and then get into their actual unit itself, again just using their mobile phone. The experience that we've had with Janus in installing the Nokē system has reinforced our belief that Janus is the right partner for us to work with. They've provided us a quality product we need. They have a dedicated team that has worked with us. And going forward, the relationship between Extra Space Asia and Janus can only grow stronger.